All living things are made of carbon and have carbon elements in their body. Carbon is also a part of the ocean, air, and even rocks. And because the Earth is a dynamic place, carbon does not stay still. It is on the move. As mentioned earlier, these carbon movements happen in land, water, air, and even in your body. That movement is called carbon cycle. In the atmosphere, carbon is attached to some oxygen in a gas called carbon dioxide. This carbon is in inorganic form. Plants use the carbon dioxide and sunlight to perform the so-called photosynthesis. That carbon became the part of that plant and turned into organic compound. The results could be in the form of carbohydrate, protein, and etc. Those results then being eaten by consumer and become part of us and animals. Also, when we breathe, the carbon dioxide that we exhale will fly back all the way to the atmosphere. And if plants and consumers die, they will be decomposed by bacteria and mushrooms or fungus. Then, the plants that are hard to decompose will turn into fossil fuels such as coals and petroleum. Whilst in water, the carbon dissolved with the water and became carbonic acid. And it reacted again with limestones and became bicarbonate and carbonic ions. Bicarbonate became the carbon dioxide resource for water organisms, while the hard-shelled mollusca organisms make their shells from the carbonic calcium, which is dissolved in the water. And when those animals die, the shells will break and dismantle, releasing the carbon dioxide back to the atmosphere. This process will occur again and again infinitely, until finally the Earth will die, and the carbons which are released to the outer space will fly until they finally find an Earth-like planet and probably do the same cycle.